Hey folks, we're up here at the upper garden and we're going to start planting carrots today. And if we have time, we'll plant some beets and some other stuff. But the first variety I'm going to plant is called a Mokum. It's from Seedway and it's a 54-day carrot. And it's supposed to be really sweet, and it's a hybrid, so it's supposed to be really good. So I'm going to do it two different ways. Last year I dug a little farrow and I planted them by hand and I covered them with the soil conditioner. So this year, well actually at the end of last year I was looking through my earthway planter plates and I found one that had carrots on it. This is my earthway planter. You see me plant corn with it. So I got a carrot plate in there. I really didn't realize I had one. So I'm gonna try it with this, and I'm just gonna go along the string, then I'm gonna go back over it with the soil conditioner, and then I'm gonna do another row, dig a little farrow, go over it with this and the soil conditioner. So we'll see which one does better, but this first one is Mokum. And I'm gonna pour these in there and hopefully it works. I hadn't, mainly what I used to use this for is beans and corn, so. All right, let's see what it does. Okay, so we went down and back in the same row. You have to go really slow with this thing, so it might be easier. It spaces them really good. You can kind of see the seeds down through here. So it made like a little furrow with that planter. And the seeds have a green coating on them, so I can see the spacing and I can see the coverage and everything. So now I got some soil conditioner. Got it Home Depot. I think all it is like mulch and some sand or something in it. And I'm gonna spread this over that like this. And the reason I'm doing that, carrots have to have constant moisture to germinate. So this right here is supposed to retain moisture. So I'm gonna spread it lightly over it, and then I'm gonna water it. And then I'm gonna water it in, and that way this stuff will hold the moisture to allow that seed to germinate. And I tried that last year and it worked really good, but as soon as they germinated, we had 2 months of no rain. So I don't have a good place to water up here. So anyway, I'm gonna get this covered up in this little furrow and we'll do another row after that. And as I'm covering up, I'm checking for seeds. Okay, I got that row in, and put the stuff on top of it, and we'll water it in here in a second. But I'm gonna put another row in, but I'm not gonna film it, and that's all we're gonna do tonight. We want to get this whole upper garden done today, but we started painting on a greenhouse, and we got most of it painted, and it looks really good. We ran out of paint, so we got just a little bit on the bottom, and then we can start putting the panels on. It looks really good, and I'm not gonna show you it right now, but we're really happy with it. So anyway, our potatoes are coming up. Right here's one coming up. Right here's one starting to come up. They're coming up everywhere down through here. And we got a row of onions in right over beside them. I didn't film this. They're looking all right through here. Them down there look better. And we got part of a row of sweet potatoes in here. So we're gonna put some more out, I think. It's the first time for us growing sweet potatoes, so we'll see how it goes. Second time we've only grown onions last year was, they came up good, but like I said, it got so dry, it's horrible. And now this used to be, give you a little history of this, we're a long way from our lower part, our high tunnels and everything. It's way down the other side of the property. This is behind the house, and I don't want to step on an onion. And this used to be our family garden here. So it's actually just a little bit longer. I've cut it back just a little bit. It's probably 110 feet, and it's probably 100 feet now. So, but the width was the same. So we used to feed our whole family, and really 2 or 3 families out of this. So that's to give you some idea if you want to have a big garden. We considered this a big garden back in the day when we first started. Yeah, I remember. Well, I'll go to rambling. So anyway, we're going to end the video here. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll keep you updated on the carrots. I think it should work. Worked last year, so I hope it does. We're gonna put another row in. It's starting to get dark, and before it gets dark, we'll get the other row in. We're kind of tired, or I'm tired. Getting old. Yeah, that painting like to wore us out. So anyway, hopefully in another few days we'll have that done, and we'll do a reveal on it. Had a little disaster in our high tunnel with our tomatoes. Cutworms came back, devastated last night. So I don't know what we're gonna do about that. So hopefully we tilled it up, did some stuff. So I mean, we won't have to use chemicals on it. So hopefully it'll be all right. I'll give you an update in the next video. Anyway, hit that subscribe button, help us grow. I appreciate everybody watching. Appreciate everybody hitting that subscribe button, helping our channel grow. More you subscribe, we're trying to get to 1,000, so we're 5 something this morning, 557 this morning. So I appreciate everybody watching. You know, I got a bunch of new subscribers. This is your first time with a long video. We're a small farm in Southeast Tennessee. We post videos 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We do market farming. We got the dairy going, and dairy goats. Not a full-size dairy. We just got 2 goats we're milking now. We got bees, which I got to move. That's another thing I wanted to do today we didn't get to. So it's always something, man. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment. I answered all comments. Support your local farmer. I'll see you down here in the farm next video.